Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to organize gift ideas or share your favorites? Here's how to create and share an Amazon wish list in just 2 minutes. First of all, go to amazon.com and log into your account. Hover over account and list, then click create a list or click on that and scroll down. Click your list and create a list. Choose wish list from here, then click create. Give it a name like wish list 1, or then to rename our privacy or edit privacy settings, click the three dots, then click manage list. Now find any product you like. Go to home and click on it, then add to list. Then choose your list from here, like wish list. To share, open your wish list and click the share button. Then select view only or view and edit, then copy the link and send it directly from WhatsApp or Facebook Messenger. And that's it, you have got a personalized Amazon wishlist. Let's ready to go. Like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.